In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Telegram bot in Replit. Whether you're a programmer or just someone eager to explore the world of bots, this guide is here to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first, we need to navigate to the simplebot.py file on Replit. This is a convenient platform because it allows you to code directly in your browser without the need for any installations. You can access this file by visiting the Telegram bot section on Replit's website. Once you're there, have a look around and familiarize yourself with the setup. Next, you'll want to locate the search function. This is crucial for efficiently finding the resources you'll need. With the search option, type Telegram bot and select the relevant result from the list. This will ensure you're getting all the necessary files and templates that'll make the bot building process smoother and quicker. Now that you're set up on Replit with the necessary templates, it's time to create a bot on Telegram itself. This is done using the Telegram bot father, which is the official way to create bots on Telegram. Open Telegram, search for bot father, and type the command new bot in the chat with bot father. Press enter to execute this command. This initiates the process of creating a new bot. Bot father will respond, asking you for a name for your new bot. This is an essential step because, like naming a new venture, the bot's name is what users will recognize. For this example, let's name it ChatEaseBot. Keep it simple and memorable. After naming your bot, you'll be prompted to select a username. This is not unlike setting an email address. The username must end in bot and should be unique across Telegram. For instance, you could use #trailbot or something similar that conveys the purpose of your bot in a creative way. Once you've successfully created the bot, BotFather will congratulate you and provide a URL where you can find your bot. At this point, you can further personalize it by adding a description, updating the About section, and choosing a profile picture. These additions are optional but recommended for creating a more engaging user experience. The final crucial step involves connecting your bot with your code on Replit. BotFather will give you an API token after your bot is successfully created. Copy this token as it's what allows your Telegram bot to interface with the code you write. On Replit, locate where it says bot token in your code and paste this token there. And there you have it, your very own Telegram bot created using Replit. You can now expand its functionality, integrate new features, and even share it with others to interact with. Thank you so much for watching, and happy coding!